Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zipporah, and this is going to be, it was supposed to be day in the life of an arty girl, and I was supposed to finish my project in one day, but because I, life of an arty girl, it did not happen in a day. So here's like a guesstimated week-ish, and you'll see me doing something really cool and turning my home into the little Versailles palace of my dreams. So good morning, beautiful souls. So today we are going to be painting this little filigree above my doorway, and I'm going to be using the French technique called trompe l'oeil, and basically that means to deceive the eye. So I am not a muralist, but I do paint, and I have this crazy idea that on a budget I can go through and do this to a lot of my home and just make it look like the most surreal, beautiful palace. That's definitely like the vibe of my home. I made these curtains too, which was kind of fun. They're actually super easy to make, so that's cool. But yeah, that is today's goal, and I'm gonna take you along with me, but let's rewind. You're gonna start the day with me. Oh my gosh, they're all just blooming. My mornings usually always start off with tending to my roses and my garden and just trying to make sure that my home is clean. Baby! Well, you're gonna get ready with me really quick, and then we are going to be working on painting. It was telling me I should have done something in this room because it's already like on theme. Actually, this used to be a closet. I demoed it 2 days by myself after getting the keys, and then installed paneling, like absolutely just went psycho. I love it though, like it opened up the room so much, and it's just like my little fairy box in here. And my bedroom is just like a magical wonderland. So we're working in my bedroom. This was the bedroom. You'll understand why I moved it. Also, I literally just dyed my hair blonde yesterday. I had my client cancel and forget about our appointment. It's fine. Honestly, it's been a while since I did any sort of curve, and like, not mad. Yesterday, I hung a chandelier above my lyra, and I couldn't not swing off of it and sing that song, so that was a cute little TikTok. I'll insert it. I'm kind of thinking of dressing up today. Would you just look at it? I do have a couple videos up of my process. So I've had this vision of wearing this. They kind of remind me of like a train conductor, but it's kind of a vibe, like for painting. All right. Pockets. I have pockets? How come I never noticed? They're kind of in a weird spot, but that's okay. Rubber band elastic right here to like hold it down. That's a fun little belt hack. This is giving, usually I wear a hat with it, but I don't want to dampen my hair, but let me show you. Choo choo. Are you serious right now? So cute. This is so cute. This is so fun. Side note, this is a knockoff of the Yeast and Laurent. So good. Smells iconically amazing. And then I went to Egypt and I got some of their oils. And this one is like Queen Cleopatra, I think. Smells amazing up with it. So like, oh, obsessed. Bye, beauty room. You go in my bed. Hi. So this is where we're working today. Excuse my room. It is like a mess because this is what we're painting. I went to Lowe's like 4 times in one day. Also, Lowe's, I love you so much. If you want to help me make my home a palace and work together, please let me know. And I, like, you're my dreams. But I got absolutely tons of samples, and these are what I've been using to kind of paint and mix with. And then, yeah, I am borrowing my grandpa's ladder because he shouldn't be on a ladder to begin with. Ugh, so fun. It's gonna look so good, I hope. Treat myself. But I know I shouldn't. I know I should be good. I know I should get groceries today. I should honestly meal prep today. Okay, we're gonna go get a treat. Okay guys, we are in my vehicle. Fun fact, I drive an old police vehicle, which is kind of fun. So anyway, we are going to go grab a little drinky, and I'm going to go get my man's a little something too, because he's having a rough day. So yeah, a little adventure time.
I don't know where it is.
Alright, so in my side quest, hi Bubbles, you showing me your baby? Thank you, honey. So I found this today when I was out, and I freaked because I was like, oh my gosh, this could be such a fun like craft cabinet or like serving table, something. I'm trying to figure out where to put this. I thought that it could be cute right here, but I think it honestly is a lot bigger than I had expected it to be, like even in comparison to that. So not the vibe I'm looking for. I was contemplating putting it here and getting rid of this desk as an option and just kind of like having it swallow everything, because I feel like it would be really cutesy in here. I did not get anything done that I was planning to. Let me show you what I decided to do instead, because I found every single reason to avoid painting. I redid my guest bedroom. Yeah, a couple paintings or paintings, I'll figure all that out. My lovely Raja, hello baby. And then I painted this gold today. It was brown, but I think it looks way better gold. Everything looks better gold. Now I am exhausted, and oh, I also went through like a bag of stuff to get rid of. I want to take a nap now. It's the next day, but today I actually am going to work on the paintings, so I wanted to incorporate that. So, good morning. I just took my sock out of my hair. So fabulous. There's this place called Chicken Salad Chick, and it's literally just chicken salad. And I started watching Anne with an E on Netflix, and it's like Anne of Green Gables, so it's adorable and I'm loving it so far. So we're just gonna watch that.
The world's a remarkable place. It worries me what the minister said.
What, baby? The water droplets on your nose. Good, good water. Alright guys, I feel like I have been going hard in the paint, and it's not a huge dent, but look how good it looks. Like, just imagine walking in. Ugh. Maybe it's just because it's not done. Does that look about halfway? It does. Okay, never mind. So I just spent my morning booking clients for my work trip coming up and planning out potential MRIs to double check my brain, because for those of you that don't know, I had a brain tumor a couple years back and I went through radiation for it, and I've been having some weird symptoms again, so I just want to double check. I no longer have insurance, so everything is out of pocket, so I'm just trying to find a place that is decently affordable out of pocket. So just looking into that, calling around. I'm in my pajamas still and just having a slow morning. It's like 10:30, so made a little money booking clients, relaxing, and staring at this mural, so we'll see. My home is a mess. Today I am just washing all of my bedding and then made a quick little thrift run, and oh my gosh, how adorable is that yellow dress? I definitely got it, but this is actually the next day I squirreled. Oh my gosh, guys, I did it. I am going to go get ready really quick and then show you the reveal. Alright guys, so this is the outfit that I will be wearing to show you, but first I'm gonna go get some boba, so let's go. I'm doing this before I get too comfortable because it is about to start downpouring. It's been thundering all morning and it is magical, but I want a little treat. That was my reward. Hi! Honestly, what a blessing. I really am so thankful for the life that I'm creating. I made a little post this morning while I was painting that little mural. It said, devoted to creating the magic and beauty that I wish to see in this life. And it is just that. Like, we are the co-creators of our reality, and how can in every moment, or at least as often as possible, because we're still human, but have the moment to remember we can create so much. And I actually started like getting in the habit of just making everything I want at a very young age, because I grew up homesteading in the middle of nowhere. The closest Walmart was an hour away, and if you know me, I ain't wearing no Walmart clothes. So I would occasionally thrift whenever we would get to go out that way, and I would make my own clothes or just anything that I wanted. I'd see something I liked and I'd paint it on a shirt, and you know, I kept up with all the trends that I loved, but I made it myself, and that has now been reflecting on everything that I do with my life. I'm really thankful. It's like sprinkling and it's just, ugh, it's so pretty. Watching the birds fly. I had to stay out just a little bit longer to really just soak in the beautiful thunder, and it actually started downpouring. So what do? You dance, obviously. So I just, oh, this was so magical. I forgot that I wanted to dress up to take the video, so I just completely soaked my outfit. So I just threw on a little comfy jacket, but now this no longer works. So let's see. Outfit for now. It's a structural pole. Okay. Why, hello, darling. Ah, yes. This is my very not painted filigree above my door. Thank you for noticing. Guys. Wait, I forgot my hat. Guys. I did it! Woo! How absolutely magical is my home? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want more, and stay tuned because I think this next video I'm actually gonna start the full Versailles blue guest bedroom. So you saw me kind of like clean it, but I'm just gonna tear it apart. And don't forget to smile because it makes the world go round, and till next time.